If you don't like confusing loops but still want to code like a pro, then stick around to learn about the range function. So, what's the range function? It's a built-in function in Python that generates a sequence of numbers. Imagine you're organizing a treasure hunt. You need to count the steps from the start to the finish line. That's what the range function does, but in coding. It helps you create a list of numbers that you can use to control your loops. It helps you count and repeat actions within a specific range of numbers. Here's how it works. In Python you write, the start is where you begin, the stop is where you end, and the step is how big your steps are. The start value is the first number in the sequence. If you don't specify it, Python assumes it to be 0. The stop value is the number at which the sequence ends, but remember it's exclusive. This means the sequence will include numbers up to but not including the stop value. The step value determines the increment between each number in the sequence. If you don't specify it, Python assumes it to be 1. Think of it like setting up a playlist. You choose the first song, the last song, and whether you want to skip any songs in between. Let's say you want to print numbers 1 to 5. You'd write, easy, right? Remember, the stop value is exclusive, so it stops just before 6. Want to count by 2s? Write, and bam, you're skipping numbers like a coding ninja. The range function is super versatile and makes your loops clean and efficient. You can use it in for loops to iterate over a sequence of numbers. For example, if you want to print each number in the range, you can write. This will print numbers 1 to 5. You can also use the range function to create lists. For instance, we'll give you a list of numbers from 1 to 5. The range function is not just limited to positive steps. You can use negative steps to create a sequence that counts down. For example, we'll generate the sequence 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is particularly useful when you need to iterate over a sequence in reverse order. Unlock the power of the range function, and you'll be looping like a legend in no time. Happy coding. So go ahead, give it a try. The range function is your gateway to mastering loops in Python. With it, you can handle repetitive tasks with ease and precision. Whether you're counting up, counting down, or skipping numbers, the range function has got you covered. Dive into your code editor and start experimenting with different ranges. You'll soon find that loops are no longer confusing, but rather a powerful tool in your coding arsenal. Happy coding!